Hey everybody, it's Dr. Claw here. This video will show you how to receive email notifications when the board owner posts a pin on Yellowdig. This can be helpful if you want to make sure you don't miss any content that the board owner creates, but don't necessarily want to have to read every single comment that the board owner makes, which is what you have to do if you try to filter it by this particular filter. So it's actually quite simple, and you go to your icon here, click the down arrow, account settings, and you'll go down to notification settings, and so you'll want to pick the ones that are correct for you. So the one about getting notified when the board owner pins is the first one, so that's pretty easy to do. So this did not used to be something you had to opt in on, but if you may have noticed, the GDPR laws in Europe now require some more stringent opting in steps for receiving emails. Anyway, so that's why that's happening. And once you check that, you should have a save settings button that'll pop up. I didn't change anything, so there's nothing to save here. But make sure you save your settings and refresh the page, and you will be all set.